In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel for real estate. Whether you're new to real estate marketing or want to streamline your current process, this guide will walk you through building a seamless system using GoHighLevel. We'll start by creating an effective real estate funnel or website. Head over to the Sites section and click on Funnels, then choose Plus New Funnel. GoHighLevel offers some excellent real estate templates, so feel free to select one that suits your needs. Make sure to include a landing page with a capture form for vital information like name, email, and phone number. Complement this with a thank you page, which should guide them to a calendar or the next steps they can take. Connecting your domain ensures a professional appearance, so don't overlook linking your custom domain, such as www.yournamehomes.com. Here's a pro tip for you. Integrate your Facebook pixel and Google tag to set up retargeting opportunities later. Now that your site is set, it's time to automate your operations so you never miss out on potential leads. Next, let's set up automations and workflows. Once leads fill out your form, you'll want automatic follow-ups. In GoHighLevel, you can establish a workflow starting with a trigger when a form is submitted. Follow this with a series of actions such as sending an SMS thanking them for their interest and promising property listings. Send a follow-up email with helpful resources or a booking link. And don't forget to notify yourself about new leads. Automatically, these leads can be added to your pipeline for easy tracking. Moving on, let's incorporate calendar booking for showings or real estate consultation calls. Leads can directly schedule appointments. So first go to Calendars and create a new calendar. Opt for a one-on-one appointment setup and set your availability according to your working hours. Embed this calendar on your thank you page or website, ensuring a smooth scheduling process. Automatic confirmations and reminder notifications can be sent to your clients, reducing any mix-ups. Now, we want to organize these leads in pipelines using GoHighLevel's CRM features. Navigate to Opportunities, then Pipelines, and create a new pipeline. Add stages that align with your sales process, and your workflows can be automated to manage the progression of leads through these stages efficiently. To keep in touch with both potential and existing clients, launch SMS and email campaigns. Design engaging campaigns like notifying about new home availabilities or recent shifts in interest rates. This helps nurture relationships and keep your services top of mind. Use the marketing section to create campaigns, combining SMS, email, or both, and decide whether to schedule them or launch them based on triggers. Finally, let's boost traffic with Facebook and Google Ads. In the marketing area, go to Ads Manager to connect your social media ad accounts. Craft focused ad campaigns targeting local regions, perhaps home buyers and sellers, or those considering selling. Direct traffic to your real estate funnel link. And remember, GoHighLevel lets you track ad performance right in your dashboard. By monitoring your analytics and ROI through the reporting dashboard, you can see metrics at a glance, such as funnel conversions, appointments, and campaign performance. With GoHighLevel, real estate marketing becomes a streamlined, effective process, bringing you one step closer to success in your ventures.